Hi everyone, thanks for joining me for my video today. Welcome back if you've been here before, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name's Molly. I do weekly meal prepping. So if you're new, make sure you click that subscribe button and click the bell button right next to it so you get a notification each time I post a new video. Lots of meal prep inspiration for you, breakfast ideas, lunch ideas. I make a ton of breakfast for my kids, so if you have some little ones, lots of recipes for them as well. So this is gonna be my meal prep for this week. It is crazy hot in California right now. It's been over 100 for like a week, and it's gonna be over 100, mid 100 to 110 degrees out, so that's pretty hot. I am not opposed to the heat as long as I can stay indoors, but I am starting to get a little bit sick of it. It is September, so it should not be this hot. But anyhow, I'm gonna make my lunch, breakfast, and snacks for the week, and I'm just gonna do everything as no cook. Super simple stuff, but I didn't wanna heat the kitchen up, it being so hot outside. So I have a couple ideas for you guys. I'm gonna make ahead some sandwiches, and I'm gonna show you how to do those so that they are not soggy and then they last all week. I'm going to pre-make my smoothies. I just put them in a cup and then I freeze them. And then each morning I'll throw it into my NutriBullet and then back into my plastic cup, and I am on the go. So all my snacks, I have my snack containers that will have my snacks in them. So everything will be ready to go for the week. Everything's super simple, so I will get everything going. So first I'm gonna do my breakfast. I'm gonna have a smoothie this week. Since it is so hot outside, nothing better than having a nice refreshing smoothie in the morning. So I have been using this earthchimp. It is organic vegan protein mix. This is the chocolate flavor. It is so good. It is from Amazon, of course. So I will link this in the description box. If you guys are looking for a new protein powder, this one is really so good. Really reasonable as well. And the packaging is really great. 100% satisfaction guarantee. So give this a try. If you don't love it, let them know. And it's just really good. I've been having it a ton lately. So I am gonna use that. I'm gonna use PB Fit, which is a powdered peanut butter. This stuff is so good in smoothies, protein balls, all kinds of stuff. And then I add in my collagen protein as well. Love this stuff. Just I add it to all kinds of drinks, my teas, smoothies, and it's just really great little supplement to have. So I'm gonna put all this in my plastic cups, just put in all the ingredients, and then in the morning when I'm ready to have my smoothie, I will pour the cup into my NutriBullet. I will add about a cup of almond milk, and I will blend it up, and then I'll pour it back into my cup. I have these little lids, and I'll put a straw in it, and then I will be ready to go. I can drink this on the way to work. Super convenient. So I will get all of this made up. Okay, so for the smoothies, I'm gonna add the banana first. So I have one banana for each cup. These are gonna be really filling. Bananas to me are really filling. So the banana plus the protein powder and the PB Fit, this is gonna be a breakfast that will keep me full all the way until snack time, which is really nice and really healthy as well. Bananas are so yummy, high in potassium. So I like to slice the banana up before, as I'm putting it into the cup, so that they're in smaller pieces, and then when they freeze, they'll be easier to come out of the cup in the smaller pieces. So I have my earthchimp protein powder. Like I said, it is really good. Got it on Amazon, and I'll put a link to it in the description box if you want to try it. Definitely give it a shot. It is vegan protein, organic, so it's really healthy, really good for you, and it's going to be perfect with this banana smoothie with the peanut butter powder as well. I did a video a couple weeks ago on this smoothie that I will link in the description box, and it was so good, so I've been making them all the time, but I'm going to have these ready for this week. And super yummy, super filling, and really healthy as well. I love this PB Fit. A lot of people, last time I used it, were asking questions on where to get it. I got it at Walmart. You can get it online, Walmart, Target, Amazon, any of those kind of places. So it's usually pretty much everywhere if you want to find it. And I'm gonna do a scoop of my collagen. I use this all the time. It's on one of my subscribe items from Amazon, so they just send it to me automatically, which I love. I use it in all kinds of things. So I have this already. All the ingredients are all in each cup. So I'm gonna put the lid on, and then I store these in the freezer until I'm ready to pour them into my NutriBullet in the morning for breakfast. So now I have my snack containers. Cottage cheese is one of my favorite snacks. I love it. Healthy, high in protein. So I'm going to have about 2 spoonfuls into my container, be about half a cup of cottage cheese. I definitely have to portion it out because I would eat like the whole container because I love cottage cheese. And I'm gonna have blueberries as well, really healthy, high in antioxidants. I just love blueberries for one of my favorite fruits. I'm gonna add the blueberries into the container, and then I have almonds and salami as well. So these will be my snacks for the week. These snack containers are the best. They are a really great size, really great quality. I got them on Amazon, so I will link them in the description. You guys know I get tons of my meal prep containers on Amazon. These ones are really great. If you need some new ones, great size, and I just love them, love the bright colors. So now I'm gonna make my sandwiches for the week, and I'm gonna start with 1 piece of bread. So have my bread down, and then for the sandwich, you're gonna wanna add your lunch meat. I prefer turkey, but you can use any kind, but you're gonna wanna put your lunch meat on both sides of the bread. So if you have your cheese or your condiments or anything else on one of the bread sides, your sandwich is gonna get a little bit soggy. But if you put your meat on both sides, it really helps it stay fresh all week long. So that is tip number 1 for make ahead sandwiches, is to have the meat touching the bread on both sides. So I have my first piece of bread, my turkey, and now I'm going to add on a slice of cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese is my favorite, but you can use any kind you'd like. So I have 1 slice per sandwich. So I'm also going to add pickles onto my sandwich, and I'm going to dry them off a little bit with a paper towel, but I have these already sliced sandwich stacker pickles, which are the best. I love them. I love dill pickles. So I'm going to just lay them on my paper towel and just kind of pat them dry just a little bit, and they are gonna go next to my cheese, and then the pickles will be ready to go. I'm gonna add on a little bit of mayonnaise, and then I'll put my final piece of bread on top. All right, so tip number 2 to keep your sandwiches fresh all week is to wrap them in cellophane. You don't want to wrap them too tightly to squish the bread, but you do want to wrap them enough that there's not a lot of air inside. So I'm going to wrap the cellophane around my sandwich, and then I'm also going to put it in a little baggie, so it'll be kept in an individual baggie for each day. I could just pull the bag out for the sandwich for the day. So it's really important to keep them nice and fresh, to have the cellophane wrapped, and then also to make sure that you have your turkey or your lunch meat touching the bread on both sides. So chicharrones are fried pork skin. It kind of sounds weird, but these are so good. They're super crunchy, and just like chips, they are 0 carb, and they're really good, high in protein. And I was really afraid to try these because I was like, oh, fried pork skin, that just doesn't sound good to me. But actually, I really like them. They are a really great substitute for chips. Like I said, they're super crunchy. And I just like having them because they're 0 carb, so can't beat that. So I'm going to portion them into a baggie so I can pull a bag out each day for lunch. All right, so I have everything ready to go for the week. My breakfast smoothie, all the ingredients ready to go. I don't have to pull out all the different protein powder, PB powder, my collagen powder, everything's ready to go. I'll just put it into my NutriBullet, add some almond milk, and pour it back into my cup, and I'm on the go. So then I have my snacks ready to go, my almonds, salami, cottage cheese, and blueberries, all super delicious, really healthy, and my sandwiches that are pre-made, so I don't have to pull out all of the ingredients each day to make a sandwich. These stay super fresh. Having the turkey on both sides and also wrapping it in the cellophane really helps keep these fresh all week long. And then my chicharrones, so good. Like I said, 0 carbs, delicious, super crunchy. If you need like a little chip fix, these are perfect. So everything's ready to go. I didn't have to turn the oven on or the air fryer or the stove or even the microwave or anything. So this is a really quick and easy meal prep. It's just so hot out, so I didn't want to do a bunch of heating up of the kitchen. So I hope that you enjoyed these ideas. If it is hot where you are, try and save the heat in your kitchen without turning on your oven and stove, and use some of these ideas if you need to. I hope this gave you a little bit of inspiration for some meal prepping for this week. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Click subscribe if you are new to my channel. Put a thumbs up on this video if you liked this one, and always leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. I will get back to you in the comment. I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.